Oh, hello, we are recording. Yeah. Today we have another little problem. We have a nail in the tire. Now, we're going to be removing the tire off of the rim because it's much easier for us and for the technicians at the shop. And I'm going to be saving a little bit of cash, so you guys will follow me on this journey today. Don't forget your log. So we're going to start by removing the front bolt of the brake caliper, if I can. So tip number one, we're gonna hang it from a bungee cord. Leaves us with some space. I don't think we need to take this completely off, but we're gonna loosen it. So we're gonna go on to the other side and repeat.
Basically, this is the to adjust your axles. Remember what you had it at before.
So we're using our 12mm wrenches on these nuts. And now we're gonna loosen the axle bolt. We're gonna take the torque wrench, because it's very tight, and attempt to take this off. So next step, we're gonna pull the chain off of the sprocket.
So if you're like me,
there we go.
And you've got
And we're off.
a hitch shackle, I'll show you what I've been able to do to DB tires.
So once you have it DB'd in enough, like so, you can start using the spoons.
You got it? So we did not give up. We just chose to work smarter and get our friend Adam to help us out dismounting the rest of the tire and mounting the new one. And he works at Redline. So thanks, Nick. Thanks, Adam. Back at home. We got the tire finished, we're good. We're just gonna put everything back in reverse and we're gonna show you how to do it. Bring it up a bit. That's your get that worse.
So now that we've put the chain back on, we are gonna make sure that our axle is nice and straight by basically lining it back up to the third line. Alright, so now that everything is basically good and we have that lined up, we're going to tighten the axle. Next, we are on to brakes. We are going to put the brakes back on and we're going to use a little bit of blue Loctite. Please don't use red. It'll be a nightmare to take off. Here we go. So while the tire was off, we double checked on the brake pads. We still have enough brakes, we're good. We will also take a moment to check to make sure that the chain is nice and snug, exactly where we need it. Spun the tire and ensured that it looked straight, nice and straight, no wobbles, and it doesn't look like it's going sideways. Our brake pads are sounding nice and smooth, there's no rubbing. So we did a pretty good job so far. We're gonna keep on making sure that everything is good and snug on the bike and go for a ride. Cool.
That's it?
Yeah. Also, I want to give a shout out to Nick and Adam from Redline for helping me put my tire on the rim today. Shout out to you.